Uh, Luigi Mangione might be walking free. Let's talk about it. This case has been plagued with prosecutorial and procedural misconduct, meaning the prosecutors have been fucking up consistently. And the procedures that are in place to make sure that this man gets a fair and speedy trial, as is his constitutionally given right, have been fucked up from the very beginning. Let's start with February 28, 2025. The case was starting, Luigi Mangione's attorney said that there was a lot of evidence that needed to be thrown out and excluded from the case altogether, all because of the Altoona police in Pennsylvania illegally searched him. The Altoona police illegally searched Mangione's backpack and took other items without a search warrant. Luigi Mangione was also questioned by officers and was not read his Miranda rights or given any information as to why he was being held for more than 15 minutes. Because the Altoona Police Department did not follow the proper protocol, all of the stuff that they illegally searched and seized from him without a warrant can be inadmissible in court, which means they have to exclude it as evidence away from the jury when they're making their decision. Not only that, but the first 15 minutes that they spoke with Luigi Mangione on that initial detainment, they can no longer use in court because that shit happened before they read him his Miranda rights. They have to suppress all of that evidence, which already is a problem for the prosecution. But not only that, all of that happened in February, literally moments ago, today, July 17, 2025. Luigi's lawyers just filed a motion in the court and wrote to the Honorable Gregory Caro, who is the actual judge for the case. The prosecution apparently created a fraudulent warrant in order to go to Luigi Mangione's health provider to get his personal health information. The letter reads, Dear Judge Caro, Luigi Mangione through his counsel submits this letter to raise yet another significant issue of misconduct on the part of the district attorney. The district attorney has subpoenaed Mr. Mangione's health insurer. They partially reviewed confidential, private, protected documents that the district attorney readily admits are protected by HIPAA. Accordingly, at a minimum, the district attorney has admittedly violated Mr. Mangione's rights under HIPAA and has obtained access to confidential, privileged information. However, the situation is far worse than this. As set out fully, the district attorney's subpoena was false and fraudulent. The district attorney falsely made up a court date, May 23, 2025, and drafted a fraudulent subpoena. Then, rather than having Aetna give the documents to the court as required to the readily fraudulent subpoena, the district attorney told Aetna to provide the documents directly to the district attorney, intentionally eliminating the court from the subpoena process and ensuring that the district attorney would secure these confidential medical records. I need you to understand a pattern of prosecutorial misconduct and procedural violations could end this case in a mistrial, meaning Luigi Mangione can walk as a free man.